Beautiful single-story view home in Hacienda Heights just listed. Bright and open layout. Double doors entry. Spacious living room. Spacious dining room with a direct access to backyard. Remodeled kitchen with lots of storage and mountain view. Beautiful mountain views in 2 bedrooms, kitchen and breakfast nook. Morning coffee with a view. Private suite with direct access to pool. Looking for a single-story pool home in City of Hacienda Heights? Please call Sofia Chang for details and private tours 626-800-7903.